Hi, I'm Dr. Layne Garrett, founder of Timpanogos Hearing Tinnitus. If you're watching this video, you or someone you love is probably starting the journey with hearing aids. First of all, congratulations. You're taking a huge step forward to reconnecting with the world around you. Today, I'm going to share exactly what you can expect in your first month with hearing aids, plus something most people don't talk about, the 4 pillars of communication that will help you get the best results long term. So whether you're feeling excited, nervous, or just curious, you're in the right place. The first thing almost everyone notices when they put hearing aids on is it sounds different. It either sounds a little bit tinny, a little bit loud, your voice sounds a little bit funny, you can hear yourself breathe maybe. Guess what? That's normal. Over the years, your brain is gradually adjusted to hearing less. So when we restore all the missing information, it can feel overwhelming. It's like you've been wearing sunglasses for a decade and suddenly took them off. The light might be a little blinding. Your brain has predictable pathways to process limited sound, and now it's flooded with new signals. Even simple sounds like paper rustling or footsteps or your own voice can feel jarring. This doesn't mean your hearing aids are too strong. It means your brain is relearning to sort and prioritize sounds. Inside your brain, the temporal lobe processes sound, while the frontal lobe decides what to pay attention to. In the early weeks, everything gets equal attention, so background noise might feel intrusive, but your brain is smart. Over the next few weeks, it will start to recognize speech again and tune out those distractions and rebuild pathways for understanding. One of the best things you can do to help this process is to track your experiences. For the first 3 or 4 days, don't overanalyze anything. Just wear your hearing aids consistently, preferably all day long. After that, start writing down anything that might feel a little too loud, unclear, or uncomfortable. For example, does the fridge hum still feel too strong? My voice sounds echoey. Restaurants are still really chaotic. And then bring that list to your follow-up appointment with your hearing care professional. The more specific you are, the easier it is for us to fine-tune your settings quickly and accurately. Remember, today's hearing aids don't just get louder or softer. They can be adjusted by frequency range, environment, and noise reduction. Your feedback to us helps to customize your hearing aids to your life. The physical feel, besides sound, there's also the feeling of having something in your ear canal all day. Some people barely notice it. Others think that it tickles a little bit or might cause their ear to feel full, or they might have a mild urge to scratch. That's all normal as well. Your ear canal has to adapt just like your brain. Most of these sensations fade in 1 to 2 weeks, but if you feel sharp pain or severe irritation, call us right away. Many patients think they need to power through high volume settings to adapt faster. That's a myth. You're not failing if you turn the volume down sometimes, and you're not weak if you ease into full volume gradually. Consistent daily use matters more than pushing yourself too hard. When we fit your hearing aids, we use real ear measurements, the gold standard for verifying the correct prescription in your ear. This ensures you start with the most accurate settings possible. If you're watching this and haven't yet been fit, ask your provider about real ear measurements. They make a huge difference in clarity and comfort. Now, hearing aids are amazing tools, but they're only part of the solution. True success comes from combining technology with what we call in our office the 4 pillars of communication. First, listening. Give your brain consistent, high-quality sound every day. Sit face-to-face with people when possible and reduce distractions so you can focus better. The second pillar is the person you're speaking with. They should speak clearly and at a natural pace, and they should get your attention before they start talking and allow you to see facial expressions and gestures to reinforce their message. The third pillar, control that environment. Choose quiet spaces when available and reduce background noise. Turn off the TV or move away from loud equipment and sit where the lighting is good so you can read lips. And the fourth pillar, your technology. Wear your hearing aids every day. Use accessories like remote microphones or TV streamers to help improve clarity, and keep that journal to help us fine-tune your devices. When you combine those 4 pillars with patience and practice, you're set up for the best possible outcomes. Even though the adjustment can feel challenging, many patients notice benefits almost immediately. They see things like, I can finally hear my spouse clearly. I turned the TV down from 50 to 8. I didn't realize how many of the little sounds in life I'd been missing. As your brain adapts to hearing again and you start using the 4 pillars of communication, it only gets easier. Sounds you care about start to stand out, background noise fades away, and you feel more confident and connected. So let's do a quick recap. The first week, everything sounds different. That's normal. For the first 3 or 4 days, focus on wearing your hearing devices consistently. And after day 4, start that list of any challenges or questions you might have. Use the 4 pillars of communication all the time and bring any notes you have to your follow-up visits so we can fine-tune your settings. And most importantly, stick with it. If you're feeling discouraged, remember, your brain is learning a new skill. This adjustment phase is temporary, but the rewards are worth it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It helps more people find this information. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any tips on hearing health. Finally, if you're in Utah and you'd like more help with hearing better, just visit our website or give our office a call. Links to these things can be found in the description below. We'd love to help you feel more comfortable and confident in your new hearing journey. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.